using inks. You can do it the old-fashioned way and just pick some colors on the color wheel, match them up, add some black, add some white, any of the colors in between, but someone's already done it for me, and that is Pigskins and Pigtails. So thank you so much for this handy guide that I was able to upscale and create my own ink colors. Instead of using the tablespoons that she mentions, I upped it to cups, and that worked great. So I am so appreciative. Check her out in the link below to grab your own copies. I did laminate and bind mine because I'm a mess and ink gets over everything, and I wanted to have one hard copy that I can pull and use when I'm screen printing. This is water-based ink. I do not know how it works with plastisol. Be sure to do your own research on that, but it works great with the speedball water-based ink. I just want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, which is Skillshare. If you love to learn and love to create, Skillshare is for you. There's so many amazing classes and student projects being created every single day, just like my screen printing course. If you'd like to join Skillshare today, get 1 month free by clicking the link below.